guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashonda RL Beauty if you're looking at my YouTube channel name. Today is an exciting video, a tutorial, not really a review. Many reviews out on these palettes, but not on this channel. We're gonna do a tutorial. These are the Neon Obsession palettes from Huda Beauty. This is the pink one, and the pink one has 4 shimmers and 5 mattes, and it is a beautiful palette, guys. The only thing I can say is the shimmers do not pop. They are more of an iridescent type, but the mattes, they are on point, they pop, and they are beautiful. The orange palette is the one that we're using in the video today. It has 3 mattes, it has 3 shimmers and 6 mattes, and it is beautiful as well. And much like the pink one, the shimmers are more iridescent than anything. This is the neon green one, and it has more shimmers than it has 3 mattes and 6 shimmers. And this is the entire neon collection. It is beautiful. The colors are, they're eye-catching, you know what I mean? Love at first sight. But like I said, this is not going to be a review. This is a tutorial basically on how you can achieve a look, and using a glitter glue, of course, to make these pigments pop. First, we're going into the orange shade, and we're just going to use that as a transition shade, and we're going to blend that out. The only shade we're not going to use in this palette, guys, is the yellow one. We're pretty much going to use every other shade in the palette. The next shade we're going to use at the top is the center shade. I say it's like between a mix of a yellow and an orange, but I'm going to use that to blend out the orange shade. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use, guys, it's more like a coral shade. And that's at the corner of the palette, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. And then after that one, I'm going to use the pink one that is at the bottom of the palette, and I'm going to put that in the center of the eye. And these are all matte shades. I have not started using any shimmers yet. These are all mattes. And the next shade I'm going to use is the fuchsia shade, the only deep shade that's in the palette, and I'm going to put that at the inner corner, the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just going to blend that in, guys, and deepen that up, you know, to my liking, you know, just to get the effect that I want. Right now I'm just going back in with these different colors that I used because it seemed like I lost them into the look somehow, but I was just going back into those colors. Sorry, guys. Right here, I am placing the glitter glue on top of my eye and preparing for the shimmers. The first shimmer I use is the green, and that's the only green in the palette. The next one I'm going to place with this orange. Second is the orange, and it is very pretty. It gives you like some pink, purple sparkles. It's a very beautiful color, but like I said, guys, they're more iridescent than anything. And the last one I'm going to place at the outer corner of the eye is the pink one, and I'm just going to blend those in with my finger. And I believe that is the best technique for these, is to use your finger. A brush, I don't believe you're going to get what you're looking for out of it. But I'm putting my LA Colors black liner on right here. And then next we're putting some Laneige mascara on. Forgive me for mispronouncing it. It came in an Ipsy. Then I'm taking my Vivid Brights NYX liner in the pink one, and I'm just going to add just a little pop to this look, guys. And I'm just going to line the top of the eye, and then kind of trace over the black line, but not too much to the inner corner, more to the outer and a little in the center. Then I'm going to go underneath my eye with the same Vivid Bright in the pink shade. And I'm taking my color pipe pigment and go lightly. It's a gold shade, and this is just going to give that green a little more pop, and it's going to bring everything together for me. That's what did this look for me. I hope you guys like it. Just check it out. It's a beautiful look. I believe just the color pop just gave it a little bit more pop. Anyway, we're moisturizing our face with our Physicians Formula. This is our rose serum. I moisturize with that. It's beautiful. It helps brighten the skin and it keeps it tight. It's a drugstore product, so check it out, guys. These primers I use on the regular. Those are in most of my videos. The oil is in most of my videos. I haven't kind of swayed from my prepping situation of my face, but I do have a new foundation, and this is old to everyone.
We're also located in Longview, Tyler, Kilgore, Henderson, and Marshall.
It's the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm using the shade Cocoa. Guys, I fell in love with this foundation. It is so beautiful, and it smells like the Avon's Skin So Soft, the pink one. That's what the foundation actually smells like, but it is beautiful. I wore it on Saturday, and it held me all day. Didn't transfer or anything. And it's beautiful foundation. Anyway, my under eye highlight haven't really changed. I've done the same thing in most videos. I did a neutral tone underneath, then put a brighter shade on top. The contour is the same, my Makeup Revolution in F14. I'm going to spray my face right here with the Mario Badescu, and that's going to help me, I believe, help everything set in quicker and blend out better. And I'm just contouring my nose and my face and everything right here. This is my Real Techniques brush I've had for years and years. Brush, wash, don't shed anything. Beautiful. I love Real Techniques brushes. Anyway, I'm just blending out my highlight. This is a brush that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's a Luxie brush, I do believe. And I'm just setting my face right now with my powders, my Morphe Banana and my J-Cat Beauty Banana. That hasn't changed. My contour set hasn't changed. Maybelline Fit Me, the dark. Pretty much the same, guys, with everything. My blush, I used the Studio blush that I got in a BoxyCharm. These bronzers, the only new bronzer is the Pro Bronzer, and I've combined that one with the NYX, and I like it even better. Like, it just sets my skin, gives me like a sunset, like a vibe. It just, I feel. But you guys leave your comments at the bottom. Let me know what you think, if it's too much or if I need to deepen it up, you know, let your girl know. But other than that, I like it. I'm feeling it. But anyway, I'm dusting off my powders right here, and I baked, I think, long enough. I don't try to bake too long, but long enough. That's what I like about those powders. It don't dry me out underneath my eyes. This setting spray, guys, it's not really a setting spray. It's a hydrating mist I got in a dollar store when I purchased my Believe Beauty items, and it was $2. It is so good. I believe it helped in holding my foundation in all day, along with my Mario Badescu. But those two together are, oh my gosh, if you want your makeup to hold in and be hydrated, that's a beautiful combination. The same mascara I'm using is the Laneige. Anything else? No, that is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me thumbs ups, subscribe if you want to see more looks. I have more looks to come. I have more palettes. So I will be uploading. So if you would like to see, please subscribe, comment, and like. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you had a wonderful, blessed, awesome weekend. And I hope today is a beautiful, wonderful day for you.